let's have a look to the back side. So this is the packet I got from Flipkart. Actually I ordered Puma shoes and I have paid 1047 rupees. So here is the unboxing. So I am cutting the sellotape that is wrapped around the box. So yes, it is difficult because this is my first unboxing that I am doing. So I don't know exactly from where I have to start. Okay, जैसा कि आपने देखा मैंने इसको ओपन कर लिया जैसे तैसे करके। हालांकि कोई ज़्यादा एक्सपीरियंस की जरूरत नहीं है, बट यू मस्ट हैव सम गुड कटर ताकि आपको डिफ़िकल्टी ना हो काटने में। समझ में आया? जैसे कि ये देखो मैं थोड़ी सी डिफ़िकल्टी आ रही बिकॉज आई एम नॉट यूज्ड टू दिस. So this is the bill that I got from Flipkart. Now this is the original box of Puma. We have this Puma image. You can say that Puma hologram. So here is one more tape. Okay. You must cut it like this. Okay, now I'm going to open it. This is the wrapper. So I got these shoes. I don't know whether these are original or not, but I think so. This is the tag. It is very, you can say, good. This one is a dog tag. This shoes is bearing. It is looking very cool. So I will remove this, and this is your some. So, whatever I will get, I will show you. So inside it is soft foam from the bottom. It is also looking good. Okay, so from overall point of view, you will get a good shoe. Okay, so I will put this here. Now this one is the second part. So it is also having, so inside this looking very soft. It's extra this I don't know what should I say, but it is propel foam. Okay, so I think these shoes will work very good.